How to use Stripe for Beginners 2023, collect online payments. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing the easiest ways you can collect payments off of your clients or customers off of any place or store you want. And obviously you have seen money payment methods if you go on any let's say store, like if I go on eBay. So let me just go to that real quick. Here we are. So this is our eBay. Let's say I'm gonna go and buy this product. Now if we were to go and buy this product and we click on buy it now, what's gonna happen is this is basically your basic payment collecting prompt. And if you click on buy it now, you can check out as a guest, and this is the whole prompt. This is everything that we're going to be learning how we can create it. Now, let's obviously say that you have a store like this, and it could be a store on your Shopify or any other e-commerce, and yeah, you want to set up some payments. So this video is for you. So if you want to know how to make prompts like these, all you need to do is you're going to watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you with. And if you do all of that clearly, you're going to know how to collect payments just like this over here. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the software that we're going to be using for this is known as Stripe. Now, if you're not familiar with what Stripe is a great payment collecting or a payment processing platform that you can find on the internet. And if you check the reviews on Stripe, you can see that Stripe basically is it brings together everything that's required to build websites and apps that accept payments and sends payouts globally. And you can also check, because you might also be thinking that Stripe and PayPal are the two of the same thing. So you can check that Stripe and PayPal are credit card processing providers. Stripe is primarily a merchant service provider, whereas PayPal is mainly a digital wallet. So Stripe is great if you're into the business or e-commerce site. So yeah, now that we're familiarized with what Stripe is, let's get right into its website. Now here we are in Stripe, and we can see that they have a great website and it has a great interface, very user friendly. Here we can see financial infrastructure for the internet. Millions of companies of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500s, use Stripe software and APIs to accept payments, send payouts, and manage their businesses online. And you can see that all the different companies that it's integrated with, like Instacart, Shopify, Amazon, Slack, Zoom, Lyft, Google, and much, much more. We can also see that it has a fully integrated suite of payment products. You can have your very own custom Visa card with Stripe. You also have the world's most powerful and easy to use APIs. It has its own JavaScript, and you can also check its API over here by reading the doc. If we come down here, we can see all the different approaches that the Stripe API has made towards its, let's say, payments and finance. You can check out the backbone for the internet business, and you can check much, much more by just going down. Now that we have that out of the side, if we go to the products that Stripe provides us with, first of all, there are the global payments. Now, in the global payments, we can see that you have different features like online payments, the checkout or pre-built payments page. This is what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about online payments and checkout. Then we also have elements, payment links, radar, connects, identity, financial connections, terminal, invoicing, and billing. You can use all of these if you want to, but we're going to be using these. So without getting into the sign-in process, I'm going to go ahead and show you the pricing and plans that come with Stripe. Now here we can see that there are two packages for Stripe. First of all, there's the integrated one, and then there's the customized one. The integrated one is the access and complete payment platforms with simple pay-as-you-go pricing. It's a 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful card change, and there are many features that come with. And then there's the custom plan, which obviously you're going to have to contact the people from Stripe to get a proper plan for yourself. But yeah, now that we have all of that done, we're going to go and we're going to sign up with our account. Now, to sign up right now, I'm going to be using a temporary email, but I want you to use your proper email. Now, If you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up. It's a very simple and dandy process, doesn't take a lot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this email, we're gonna paste it right here. You're gonna put in your name, you're gonna put in the country you're from, and then you're gonna make sure you're gonna have a strong password that Stripe is gonna be familiarized with. There we go. And then we're gonna click on create account. Now once we click on create account, we're just gonna wait for it to load up. And once it loads up over here, it takes us to verify your email. So we're going to come here, and as we can see, the verification has been sent, and we're just going to click on this link. Now, once you click on this link, your email will be properly confirmed, and over here, it says activate payments on your account. Fill out your business or profile to start accepting payments. Any progress you make will be saved, so you can always finish up later. Now, you can activate payments right now, but we're going to get into this later. So we're going to skip it for now, and we're going to be redirected to our main dashboard. Now, this is our main Stripe dashboard, and this is where we're going to be doing everything that we can. So you can check all the different report overviews. You can get started by sharing payment links, sending an invoice, and much more. Now know this, that some of the features that Stripe provides you uses no code, so you don't really need to have a coding experience to use Stripe, but some do use code, so like just make sure to dabble around with the services that don't use code. So let's say we were to go in payments over here. Now if you're in payments, you can see that there are different features like share a link to a checkout page, manually charge a customer, invoice a customer, hosted payment UI, build a custom payment, and charge customers in person. Now for these three, as you can see, codes are required, but for these three, no code is required. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is. Now obviously this is the page where you can start collecting payments, and that is what this video is for. You want to collect payments. Now there are three different ways. You can invoice a customer, and it's a one-time or recurring payment. You can manually charge a customer, or the most common one is share a link to a checkout page, the one I just showed you on eBay at the start of this video. So we're going to go ahead with this, and we're going to start creating it. Now once you're over here, this is your blank canvas, and this is what it's going to look like. This is what you're going to design. So let's say you're going to add a product. So I'm going to add a product. Let's say it's sunglasses, and then you're going to add any image you have. You're going to add any random description about the sunglasses. I'm just going to write gibberish for now. You're going to add in a price, let's say $7. You can add more currencies if you want. Let's say you want it to be in the Canadian dollar as well, or you want it to be in the UAE dirham. And once you do that, you can also choose if you want it to be one time or a recurring payment. A recurring payment is a constant or a repeating payment like monthly, yearly, weekly, etc. Or you can just choose one time and then click on add product. And once you click on add product, as you can see, it has been added over here. And from here on out, all you need to do is you can also choose these options like collect the customer's address. You can choose that, billing and shipping address. And you can also choose require customers to provide a phone number in case that you want to ask them something. Let customers adjust the product's quantity. You can add more products on one page. You can also go in the advanced options and allow promo codes, like if the person wants a discount. And then you can also change the after page. And once you have set everything up, all you're going to need to do, you're going to come up here and you're going to click on create link. And once you click on create link, this is going to be your link, and I'm just going to show you how it's actually going to look. And we're just going to come here, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now, know that this is a test link, so no payment will be deducted. So even if you put in a card, it won't matter. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. Obviously, we didn't add any photo to the product. That's why it's not giving us any, but this is how it's going to look. And over here, you can start adding in your information, and you can securely save the information and then easily pay. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to collect payments using Stripe. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.